In this video, I want to show you how to set date and time on this Honeywell thermostat. This is the Honeywell RTH20B programmable thermostat. So to set date and time, what you want to do first is to hit the menu button. This is right here. So you want to press the menu button. Okay. Now you can use the arrow up and down buttons to select date or time. You can see right there. So now you can see date flashing. So press select. Now you can see the year flashing, so set your year. You can use these buttons here, the arrow up or down buttons, and once you're done, hit next. Okay, set your month, and once you're done here, hit next. Now you can see the date flashing, so use these buttons to set your date, and once you're done, you want to come over here and hit save and exit. Alright, so your date is set. Now come over here again, select time, so now press select here. So you want to select your time format, whether 12 or 24-hour clock. So in my case, I'm going with 12-hour clock. Okay, now press next. Now you want to set your time. You can see the hour flashing. So use these buttons to adjust your time. You can press and hold it to get it to move faster. So make sure you set the correct time for AM or PM. And once you're done, hit next. Set your minutes. Okay, and once you're done here, you want to hit save and exit. So that's how to set date and time on this Honeywell thermostat. Now you can press exit. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.